Hi there and welcome to another video from Max Revs, and you join me in the Mulhouse region in France, in the kind of the Vosges area. I know Caymans are made in Germany, but the roads we had today on some mountain passes are something I've never done before, and they're absolutely phenomenal. These cars are made for mountain passes. I've done North Wales, I've done a lot of the kind of different areas in the United Kingdom, but something I learned today with this car on the mountain passes is the concept of switchbacks. We're going up and down mountains, we're doing 180s, even more than that, plenty of kind of like descents, ascending, kind of it's just a huge variety of kind of driving, which I've never really done before. Huge amounts of steering inputs in the car. The cars are just perfect as usual. The RS is missing right now. It's having some kind of cleaning done. There's a jet wash bay down there. I'm not washing the car. After it was PPF'd, I was told not to wash the car for 3 weeks. It's just so dramatic and engaging, driving your car as it's meant to be driven on roads. And to be fair, I'm not the fastest driver. It's not about being the quickest driver. It's about driving within your kind of comfort and your means. And if you get in your Cayman and you drive in whatever is a safe and spirited manner for you, I think that's fantastic. That's exactly what I was doing on this trip over here. The whole thing about elevation changes, you could feel the weight shifting around the car. That's something I've never really felt on the road surfaces I've driven on previously. I highly recommend it if you do get the chance. I kind of revert back to that same message I keep saying to everybody on this channel, including myself. If you have a Cayman is a fantastic car. Doesn't matter which Cayman you have. In fact, in the company that we're with, I have the least power and it's the oldest Cayman, but it's the best Cayman for me. With the RS when it was pulling away from us, it really does go, and I've never noticed that with any other Cayman, is that when you're in a convoy and it goes, it literally goes. I didn't quite hear anything because I'm kind of driving with my windows down. You may not hear so much on the outside, but who cares? The RS and the driver's inside the cabin, and that's all you care about. There's some unique aspects in the RS behind the front wheels, where there's a little tray where you just get stones in the knacker ducts, you get stones kind of kicked up through the tyres. So it's just great being out with people that they know their cars are not going to be museum pieces. We're putting their cars to good use. I hope you can put your cars to good use. And if you've got your cars on order, I wish you all the best with deliveries over the next kind of coming few months. I know there's some guys in the US that were supposed to take summer deliveries, but they've been delayed a little bit. You know, certain things are out of control. But during Life and Car Style Max, hope you enjoy this video. Stay safe, stay subscribed, give us a thumbs up, and until the next video.